Diolch, Llywydd. Trefnydd, I'd be grateful if we could have a statement from the Welsh Government regarding planning in special areas of conservation. As you know, I raised this issue before the summer following concerns from local businesses in my constituency. Since then, it has been confirmed that in Pembrokeshire, all planning applications that are in the Milford Inner Water Body area, which is the vast majority of inland Pembrokeshire, will have to demonstrate nutrient neutrality, and yet there's no formal guidance from Natural Resources Wales to support those submitting applications. This barrier could bring developments in a large area of Pembrokeshire to a standstill at a massive cost to the local economy. So, Trefnydd, I'm sure you'll agree with me that this is not acceptable, and so I'd be grateful if we could have an urgent statement from the Welsh Government so that planning authorities and indeed businesses can be confident that developments in Pembrokeshire can continue to take place.
Diolch yn fawr, Paul Davies, and I mean these are important issues. They're issues that are being addressed by the Welsh Government, but also obviously in partnership with public bodies' responsibilities and indeed with local government as well. So it is important that we update. I'm sure that the Welsh Government and Cabinet Secretaries will look to opportunities to update. As you say, we need to ensure that we protect special areas of on conservation, but also look to development needs.